It looks pretty askew when the app has a countdown date of December 25, 2017. But the time it takes to get there sits at 0 days, 0 hours, minutes, and seconds. It's Christmas! And as fun as it would seem to time travel, this app will only show the true time it takes to reach this awesome day, or whatever day you'd like. To do so, we'll need a way for the clock component to recognize the date set within the application, the parent component. We can take advantage of something similar to state called props in order to do so. Similar to state, props refers to some data within the application. However, with props, you pass data or state to child components from parent components. Meaning, I can specify a deadline within this clock equal to the current state of the deadline. So we'll pass this deadline from the parent application state to the clock, which will now be able to recognize this deadline as props. In order to prove this, let's go ahead and console log this.props within our constructor to see what's going on. As I inspect the element, we'll see that this.props is now an object, and there's a deadline with our string of December 25, 2017. Props becomes especially useful because as we update the state of our parent component, any state passes props to child components automatically update and re-render thanks to React's engineering and software principles. Pretty amazing. Here, we see the deadline as a child of this.props. We can go ahead and use that in order to calculate the time it takes until the passed date. Let's add that method within the next video in order to update these numbers right here.